In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to an Instagram post. Let's get started by opening the Instagram app on your phone and making sure you're logged into the account you want to post from. Once you're on the home screen, look for the plus icon that you normally use to create a new post. Tap that, and then choose the option to create a standard feed post. This is usually labeled as post rather than story or reel, so make sure you're in the right section. Next, select the photo or video you want to share. You can pick something from your camera roll or gallery. Take a moment here to choose your best shot or clip, because this is what your music will be supporting. Once you've picked it, tap Next to move forward. On the next screen, you'll usually see editing options like filters, cropping, or adjustments. Go ahead and make any visual edits you'd like. When you're happy with how everything looks, tap Next again to move to the final posting screen. This is where you'll add your caption, tag people, and adjust other settings. But for this video, we're focusing on the music. Look for the option labeled Add Music. If you don't see it right away, it may appear as a small music note icon. Tap that, and Instagram will open its music library. Here you can browse popular tracks, search for a specific song, or explore different moods and genres. Take your time to find something that matches the vibe of your post. When you tap on a song, you'll hear a short preview so you can decide if it feels right. After you've chosen a track, Instagram will let you select the exact portion of the song you want to use. This is important because feed posts only play a short audio clip. Drag the slider along the song's timeline until you find the best section, like the chorus or a specific beat that fits your photo or video. You can usually see the lyrics or waveform to help you line it up. Once you're happy with the music selection and timing, confirm your choice. You'll be taken back to the posting screen, where you can double-check everything: your image or video, your caption, and now your music. When everything looks good, tap Share. Instagram will upload your post with the music attached, and your followers will hear the song play when they view it in their feeds. That's all there is to it.